Ok, today the drill is going to be a little bit different. Hoje o drill vai ser um pouquinho diferente. Ok, so you're going to have your charts opened. Vocês vão ter seus gráficos prontos, and I'm going to ask each and every one of you, what is your best trade for the day? Qual é o seu trade melhor para do dia? Ok, and then each and every one is going to tell, okay, I do have an entry or I don't have an entry, right? And I'm going to do the same with my Fibonacci signals and with my market wave signals. Eu vou fazer a mesma coisa com meus sinais do Fibonacci e meus sinais do market wave, ok, everybody? Hey, Romildo. Tudo bem? Ok, everybody? All good? Ready to go? Prontos?
Yes.
Ladies first. No. Melissa's mute. I just woke up. You're mute, Melissa.
You're mute, Melissa.
You're mute.
I said, no, I never got any sleep. So I don't know about what just woke up, but I totally misinterpreted the instruction and I thought it was the best trade. And I assumed that was the best trade I had. Not the best trade that I was looking at for the day. I totally misinterpreted it. So I would need a minute.
Don't worry, everybody. Okay, so before we start, okay, just I want to share with you something. Quero compartilhar uma coisa com vocês. This is the links. Where is the virtual office? Virtual office here. Come with your charts ready. Today I'm going to ask you. So every day is going to be what is your best trade of the day. Okay. And here, everybody, share your errors too today. Share errors. Today I made a mistake. It's a trader's error. I closed the hedge on Euro CHF 30-minute chart without confirmation from or system or price action. I did this because I was in a hurry. I was not market focused. As a matter of fact, I was not focused at all on trading. I must not repeat this mistake anymore. And then I said to myself, sincerely, the boss. Okay? Precisa traduzir em português? Do I need to translate? Heraldo? Ou Henrique? Precisa traduzir, não? Heraldo, você está mudo? Precisa traduzir? Do I need to translate? Henrique?
Para mim não precisa, tá tudo certo.
Henrique says no. Heraldo, precisa traduzir? Do I need to translate, Heraldo?
Por favor, traduza para mim aí.
So one more time, everybody, I'm going to translate in give me a second, where are we? We're here. Ok? Todo mundo compartilha seus erros do trader, ok? Today I made a trader's error. Hoje eu fiz um erro do trader. I closed the hedge on Euro CHF 30-minute chart. Eu fechei um hedge no Euro CHF 30 minutos without confirmation from or system or price action. Sem a confirmação do sistema ou do price action. I did this because I was in a hurry. Eu fiz isso porque estava ocupado, estava correndo. I was not market focused, não estava focado no mercado. As a matter of fact, I was not focused at all. De fato, não estava focado de tipo nada. I must not repeat this mistake anymore. Eu não posso, não devo fazer esse erro de novo. Everybody, okay? Relate your traders' errors, everybody. This was me this morning. The market, so I had the hedge in here. Account history. Yesterday I made 800, ontem fiz 800, and this morning I lost 124 by bullshit. E hoje perdi 124 de besteira. I had my hedge somewhere in here. Então fiz um hedge aqui. E somente porque esse Reiki Nashi tornou branquinho, eu fechei o hedge. Just because this Reiki Nashi turned white, I closed the hedge. Error, close the hedge without confirmation or focus. Write on your charts. Eu fiz um erro, fechei o hedge sem foco. Okay, everybody?
Ok.
Plus, yesterday night, also yesterday night, everybody, give me a second. Yesterday night, where is the, not this one, meet, not in here. Weekly plan. Not sure where is the, give me a second, everybody. Maybe it's this one. Also, me and Melissa, we are doing the homework. Eu e Melissa estamos fazendo tarefa de casa. As you can see, everybody. Boss in here, Melissa in here. Okay. Do the best as you can, everybody. Okay. Give me a second. We are here. Okay. If Melissa can put in the Excel, you can put it too. Se Melissa pode colocar no Excel, vocês podem também. Ok? Do the best as you can. Do the best as you can. Faz o mais que pode. Ok, everybody? Another boss is here. Mais um chefe tá aqui, ó. Ok, everybody. Do you have your charts? Ok. As always, look at the news event. Do you have any news event today? Temos alguma notícia hoje? Open your charts, Forex Factory, whatever. Tell me, do you have any news events today? Temos alguma notícia hoje?
USD, it's manufacturing.
Okay. So Matthias is saying USD, manufacturing. Okay, everybody. Is this news relevant for your strategy? Essa notícia é relevante para sua estratégia? You can say yes, it is, or no, it's not.
No.
There is no right or wrong. Não tem certo ou errado.
Wait, we had an inflation rate this morning at 4 a.m. though.
Yes. Melissa is saying that tivemos a notícia do yen essa noite. Heraldo, onde você estava, Heraldo? Where were you, Heraldo, to talk about the yen? Talk about the yen. You know? Tá mudo? Tô brincando, estava viajando. I'm joking, he was traveling. Estava viajando. Of course. Está mudo, Heraldo?
Heraldo, trago. Wow.
Está mudo? You're mute, Heraldo. You're mute.
Ok. Eu vi alguma coisa aí do Japão, né, que eles podem aumentar a taxa de juros, mas ainda tem incertezas, né?
He said that they can increase the interest rate, but there are still uncertainties.
Provavelmente eles vão esperar a taxa dos Estados Unidos no dia, acho que é 15 ou 17.
Most likely they're going to wait for the USA to increase or decrease the interest rate, and then they're going to act.
Dependendo, né? Tudo indica que os Estados Unidos vão cortar em 0,25.
Everything indicates that USA is going to cut the interest rate.
E aí eles vão tomar uma decisão se aumenta a deles.
And then the Japan is going to make a decision if it's going to increase.
Então acho que nós vamos sofrer um pouquinho com o Japão até o meio do mês.
We're going to suffer with the yen until the middle of the month, says Heraldo. Okay? So fundamentally, Heraldo, corrige se estou errado. Fundamentally, what Heraldo is saying, we're expecting a weaker dollar and a stronger yen. Estamos esperando dólar fraco e yen forte, Heraldo?
Yes, perfeito.
Okay, so those are the fundamentals. Fundamentally, we're expecting... The chart is a different story. O gráfico é outra coisa. But fundamentally, we are waiting for a weaker dollar and a stronger yen. O gráfico é outra coisa, mas estamos esperando o dólar mais fraco e o yen mais forte, ok?
Agora tem que tomar cuidado esse mês o dólar tende a ser forte, porque os índices americanos tendem a ser fracos, porque é o seguinte, na metade do mês também, setembro, as empresas podem recomprar suas ações.
Be careful because we tend to have a stronger dollar this month because in September the companies can buy back the shares.
Então eles provavelmente não vão querer comprar com o preço lá em cima, nas máximas.
So they don't want to buy their own shares at the high.
Então provavelmente o índice tende a cair, os índices, né, Nasdaq, Dow Jones, S&P.
So the USA indexes tend to fall, like S&P 500, Nasdaq, and so they become like weaker.
E o dólar se valoriza.
And the dollar gets stronger. Heraldo.
Este mês.
Somente.
Depois é ladeira abaixo.
Okay. Everybody, Heraldo is the top fundamental analyst of this group. You can ask him questions, partner up. Henrique, porque você é novo, Romildo, você já sabe, Heraldo é analista top das notícias fundamentais desse grupo. Você pode trocar ideia, você pode explorar ele do jeito que você quiser. You know? Okay? So let's start with Heraldo. Heraldo, você tem talvez o teu trade para o dia? Do you have your best trade for the day, maybe, talvez?
Então,
Vada viagem, vada viagem, fica de boa. I know, we know we're traveling, so if you don't have, just say I don't have it.
eu não fiz programação ainda, mas hoje dólar está forte e o franco suíço forte, né?
So today the dollar is strong, says Geraldo, and the Switzerland
Então
franc
o
strong.
mercado está procurando por proteção,
Okay.
por algum motivo.
So
Então,
the market is looking for protection, says Geraldo.
então não é bom hoje ir contra franco suíço e contra o dólar.
Today it's not good to go against the dollar and the Switzerland franc. Lembrando que sexta-feira temos o non-farm payroll, everybody. Remembering Friday we have the non-farm payroll. Alexander,
Yeah.
do you have your best rate for the day, maybe? Você tenta o best rate pro dia?
Unfortunately, no. But
Okay, all good?
let me share my screen.
Give it a second. Everybody, what is the pair you should pay attention to for the whole
Do you
week?
see?
Qual par que vocês têm que seguir semana inteira?
Boss, do you see my screen?
Euro CHF, very good, excellent. Yes, Alexander?
Yes. I want to trade Euro USD, but
I'm seeing you have 8 monitors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 monitors. We're not seeing, Alexander, your charts. A gente não viu seus gráficos. Give it a second. Euro dollar, all right. Are you in and out? Você está comprado ou vendido?
no. I was in movement down, but it starts too early. I lose my entry point.
Okay, very good. Okay, everybody, so open euro dollar. All of you guys, open euro dollar and tell me if you have a trade or not. Okay, and in the meantime, I'm going to do the same on my signals. Okay, I'm going to share my screen. Can you see everybody the screen? Okay, so I'm here on the Fibonacci, set and forget, euro dollar. Double click and I'm here in our market wave. Euro dollar, give me a second, euro dollar. Okay, so Fibonacci, set and forget, everybody, give me a second. I'm going to delete a few things now. Give me a second. The ones who are taking care of the Fibonacci, does Fibonacci have a positive swap on the short side? Tem Fibonacci swap positivo na venda? Everybody? Is Fibonacci positive side on the short side? Does Fibonacci have a positive? Tem swap positivo na venda?
Yes.
Yes. The ones who are taking care of my signals, do you have a signal to enter short on the monthly Fibonacci? Você tem sinal de venda para vender no Fibonacci mensal?
No.
Yes, you do. It hit this band. Okay? Everybody? So positive swap. Positive swap positivo. The market hit this band, you enter. 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 Hit this band, you enter. And all of those together, you have a stop loss of 2% up in here. So you do have an entry as we speak. Você tem entrada agora mesmo. Okay, everybody? Positive swap doesn't need a crown. Swap positivo não precisa do crown. Are we clear? Tá claro isso? Talk to me. Tá claro isso? Is this
Yes.
understandable?
Yes.
All right. So give me a second, and we are. Give me a second. We are here, I believe. Okay. So this was the monthly on your dollar. Let's go on the monthly. This is the market wave on the monthly. You know, do you have an entry on the monthly market wave?
Yes.
Yes, you do. And as you can see from the compared to the Fibonacci, you have more risk to tem que entrar com mais risco. So you're going to, when you take care of the signal, you're going to take this level in consideration, this level in consideration, and this level in consideration, and the stop loss up in here of 2%. So you have these two already. Você vai pegar esse nível, você vai pegar esse nível, você vai pegar esse nível, esses dois também, e você vai all of those together. Somebody's trying to enter. Give me a second. KJ from Singapore. So you're going to try to enter here and 2% stop loss out in here. Okay, everybody. So you do have an entry on the market wave. The guys who are taking care of my signals on the market wave on the monthly. Okay. Now, what about the weekly Fibonacci? Weekly Fibonacci. Do you have a signal from the weekly Fibonacci? Everybody same signal do Fibonacci?
No.
The weekly? No, right? Because the first signal is up in here. Give me a second. O primeiro signal está aqui em cima. So this is the, you don't have a signal to enter on the weekly. What about the market wave on the weekly? Give me a second. Do you have a signal from the weekly from the market wave?
Yes.
Yes, you do. Remember, you must not, you must check if overlaps. Tem que ver se é o mesmo. So syncing layout. And give me a second, everybody. Is the same stop loss from the monthly and the weekly? É o mesmo stop loss do semanal e semanal? Is the same stop loss level, everybody?
No.
Look at the line. I'm moving the line. Is the same stop loss from the monthly and the weekly?
Yeah.
So when you see this, you're going to do one trade, one signal. Se você vê isso, você vai ter que fazer trade, signal. Okay, everybody? All good? Tranquilo? So me personally, I didn't go on the daily. It's going to take too much time. Non fui no diário porque vai acontecer muito tempo. But I do have signals that I trade. Eu tenho sinais que eu entro. We're not talking about right or wrong. We're talking about different strategies. Não estou falando certo ou errado. Estou falando estratégias diferentes. Ok? Thank you, Alexander. KJ. Ni hao. Ni hao, KJ. Ni hao, ma.
Ni hao, ni hao.
谢谢. How are you, KJ?
I'm good, thank you.
All good. KJ, do you have your best trade for the day, maybe, that you're looking at?
Best trade? Actually,
Maybe.
I'm looking at the euro currencies, but suddenly, everything just starting to plummet. That was the news, right?
Oh, I'm not sure if was there any news on euro? I don't believe so. Everybody,
but there was like a large red candle,
Yeah. Euro had 4 a.m. had inflation rate this morning.
Oh, you look at the inflation rate, okay.
Yeah,
Very
so
good.
it's there's a long red candle on most of the euro pairs right now. So yeah.
Okay, do you have any best trade that you're looking at, KJ, maybe?
No, I'm actually looking at euro USD, but looks like I still have to wait,
Very good, excellent. Mattia, next. Do you have a best trade for the day, maybe, Mattia?
Yeah, but not entry yet.
All good, don't worry. Which one is this one? What's the currency pair?
NZD-JPY.
NZD-JPY, everybody, open your charts. NZD-JPY. I'm going to do the same with my signals. I'm going to go to NZD-JPY on the market wave, and I'm going to go on NZD-JPY on the Fibonacci. And so first, guys, the first are you are the first one. Do you have, I'm going to, okay. Do you have an entry, everybody? You can say, yes, I do have an entry on NZD-JPY. You can say, no, I don't have an entry on NZD-JPY.
Oh, well, entry. Okay, that's
Alexander, what do you think about NZD-JPY? KJ2, open your charts, abre o gráfico, NZD-JPY, e conversa com a galera, talk to each other. If you have an entry or to buy or to sell, there is no right or wrong. Ou para comprar ou para vender, não tem certo e errado. Alexander, do you have a trade on ANZD JPY?
No.
No. KJ, Enrique, Julius, Melissa, Heraldo, Romildo.
I don't see.
All good. Mario, do you
No.
have a... No? Okay.
No signal again. No signal.
AUD/USD.
Let's go step by step.
NZD, Jappy.
Wait a second, everybody. So let's go one by one, okay? ANZD JPY, and then it's Julius, and then it's Melissa. So I'm going to share my screen, everybody. Give me a second. And then it's Julius, and then it's Melissa, right? So talking about ANZD JPY, this is the Fibonacci. Fibonacci, do we have a signal from the Fibonacci, everybody? Talking about, this is the monthly chart. A to B, this is the first level here. Do we have a signal? You know, well, it's fault already, right? Am I sharing?
Yes.
Okay, so it hit this level, but it's already, so you can still on the monthly, it's huge, right? If you want, you can still enter, everybody. You have a signal in here, okay? And give me a second. We need to check, is the swap negative on the short side, or is positive? How is the swap? Como que tá o swap no NZD?
Negative.
Negative.
Negative, all right. So here you have the crossover still valid. You can enter on NZD monthly chart. Você tem nessa cruza aqui, ó, média móvel cruzando, você pode entrar ainda. Stop loss up in here. And remember, you must spread the risk. Entry, 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 and 2% stop up in here. If we go to NZD on the weekly chart, we need to see if maybe it's the same stop loss. So I'm going to sync in layout. So yeah, it's the same stop. You're going to do just once. Você vai entrar somente uma vez porque está o mesmo stop loss. And talking about Fibonacci's on, I'm not sure, give me a second. This is the daily then. And this is the most recent Fibonacci on the NZD JPY, you know. So the signal was, right, we entered here, we've entered here. When the market went against us, quando o mercado foi contra nós, we entered here, and we've entered here. Okay, always with the signal, sempre com signal, because the swap is negative, porque o swap está negativo. Okay, so if I delete all of these levels, everybody, do you have a signal to enter on ANZD JPY right now? Você tem um sinal de entrada?
Não.
You have, this was the signal, right? Signal foi aqui, signal foi aqui, also crown. So even if you look at the chart right now, everybody, you can enter, make sense? Você pode entrar.
Yes.
You just take this risk and this risk, okay? Those two risks, and maybe if you want this risk, you take those three and put the risk up in here. Daily chart 1%. Ok? Você pega esse risco, esse risco, esse risco, você entra aqui o volume, você coloca esses três, 1% aqui em cima. Okay, everybody? So there is a signal to enter right now on the signals, on the Fibonacci, on NZD/JPY on the daily. Você tem sinal de entrada no Yen, no NZD/JPY, okay?
Because, sorry to interrupt, the signal is price below moving average?
No,
Or
the
moving
signal
average cross?
or crown or moving average crossover.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Now talking about the market wave, this is the monthly chart. Everybody give me a second. So this is the monthly, right? And I need to do the new Fibonacci. Give me a second. So this is the new leg, right? This is the new leg on the Fibonacci, SNova. So also here, and I don't have the, where is the dual EMA? Okay. So do you have a signal here compared to the Fibonacci? Does the market wave have a signal? Essa tem signal?
Yes.
Yes, it's here, right? It was here. And talking about NZD-JPY, this is the market wave, everybody. It's a market wave, so I need to readjust it. I didn't. Thank you, reajustar. Do we have a signal here?
No.
No, applause to Mattia. You don't have a signal here. Okay, everybody, so this is how those two are different. And Julius, you are next. Julius, el próximo. You are saying, Julius?
Yeah, market wave.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
what currency pair is that?
AUD,
AUD, NZD?
AUD, USD.
Okay, share your screen, Julius. AUD, USD. Everybody open AUD, USD, you too. And try to find the trade, enter share entrada. If you have it, you have it. If you don't have it, you don't have it. Remember, Friday we have non-farm payroll. Cuidado porque sexta-feira temos o non-farm payroll. Okay. Tell us what you trade, how you go, what you do.
So market wave, the red one. So when I traded the market wave, counter trend line break here, this one, and I entered the market here. So it went up here, and then now it's falling, and now it's buying again.
Wow, nice trade, right, everybody? Trade legal, non trade. Very good, Julius. Close to you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, so Alexander, do you have a trade? Mattia, Mario, Melissa, Raldo, KJ. Do you have a trade on AUD USD?
No.
Mario says no.
No.
Okay, so I'm going to share my screen. Let's see how the signals are doing. Getting back to AUD USD. And come again?
I'm sorry,
Am I-
I didn't realize you hear me. I said I should because I'm in and out of that pair.
AUD USD, everybody. Sorry about that. There is a lot of things to AUD USD. This is the Fibonacci. Give me a second. Fibonacci. Out. Do you have a signal from the shorting AUD USD, everybody? Is the swap positive or negative? Swap sta positivo o negativo na venda?
Positive.
Positive, all right. So, do you have a signal to enter short?
Yes.
Yes. Would you make tons of money if you would short?
Yes.
Fazia baita de uma grana se você está vendendo. Yeah.
Same.
Same. Okay, so you, Geraldo, Marcos, and Douglas, who's going to watch the recording, se estão cuidado do Fibonacci, se tem entrada no mensal, you have an entry on the monthly.
Excuse me, boss. Is anyone trading? Is anyone trading the news?
Come again?
Is anyone trading the news?
No, nothing to do with
Oh.
news. Nothing to do with news, everybody. Not another very
Alright.
news. And give me a second.
I'm guessing maybe the euro affected the Aussie today. Doesn't make any sense. That's a big bar on the daily.
Maybe.
Mhm.
So AUD USD, everybody, on the weekly chart, just quickly, you know, do you have a signal to enter? Você tem entrada no semanal?
Yes.
Yes.
And as always, check that you're not going to double the trade. You know, have the stop loss and sinking layout, and let's see. Sometimes they do overlap as best time. So it's going to be one trade. Okay, vai ser uma entrada só. And AUD USD daily Fibonacci trade. Do you have an entry on going long on the Fibonacci? Você tem
Use
entrada?
your backwards button, but
Come again?
delete the other way with the backwards button or the.
Okay, everybody, do you have an entry on the long side? Você tem entrada na compra?
Okay.
No, exactly. What about the market wave? The USD market wave. Market wave. Do you have an entry? Yes, you do. It's in here. Let's go to the weekly market wave. Weekly market wave. Okay. Do you have an entry? Yes, you do. It's similar to the Fibonacci. So here, not to double, to have the same risk, para não igualizar, não dobrar o risco. Also in here, you know, it's up in here and up in here. Okay. It's the same stop loss, so you're going to enter once. Você vai entrar somente uma vez. And AUD/USD on the daily market wave. Okay, a little bit different than Julius, um pouquinho diferente do Julius. By the way, this is the daily, okay, everybody? SIOG area. And if I put the here, you know, you see this is from the monthly and the weekly anyway. Okay, so if you want, you can, and the risk is this one, risk is this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and 1% stop loss of all of those entries. 1% di risco total con todas essas entradas. Venda, 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 sell, sell, sell. If it stops you out on all of those entries on the market wave, you are going to lose 1%. Do you need to stress out if you lose 1%? Você tem que ficar estressado e depressivo se perder 1%?
No.
Matias says, no, then why are you guys? Então, por que vocês estão depressivos? Why are you depressed if you lose 1%? Melissa, you're saying after Julius, next. The guys who are taking care of the Fibonacci signals and the market wave signals, I didn't check the 4-hour chart, that's on you. Quem está cuidando dos Fibonacci signais, está cuidando dos market wave signais, eu não chequei 4 horas, você tem que checar. That's on you guys, you need to check the 4 hours too. Okay? Melissa, you were saying, Julius was saying AUD/USD, and then it was you, Melissa?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm just going to choose what I put in last night, which I don't know what happened with the news, but it went south. So I had GBP Chef.
Okay, share your screen. Everybody, GBP SHF. Share your screen, everybody. Try to find, do you have a trade or you don't have a trade, you know? Try to make some money, tenta fazer uma grana.
And actually, I think this trade is on the weekly.
GBP CHF.
The data looks better.
Okay. Everybody, do you have an entry on GBP CHF? Remember, there is no right or wrong on the strategy. Non tem certo e errado na estratégia. Okay. Alessandro, do you have an entry on GBP CHF? Elaraldo, Mattia, Julius, Mario, Nildo, KJ.
GBP CHF.
KJ, do you have an entry on GBP CHF?
No.
Okay, all good.
Oh,
No,
I'm
not
monitoring.
Not for me.
Come again, KJ?
No, not for me.
Not for me. Okay, all good. Tranquilo, all good, everybody. So I'm going to share again my signals. Give me a second. Whoops, one more time, wrong button. Give me a second. Compartilhar. And we're going to do GBP CHF on the market wave and GBP CHF on the Fibonacci. Okay, GBP CHF on the Fibonacci on the monthly. Is the long side negative or positive as a swap, everybody?
Positive.
Positive. The guys who are taking care of the Fibonacci, Heraldo and Marcus and Douglas, do you have an entry on GBP CHF?
Peraí. Como é que é? Se o Fibonacci...
Você tem entrado no signal do Fibonacci?
Sim.
Yes, you need to take everybody. You need to take this risk here and this risk, tem que pegar esses dois riscos, and this one too, you have those three. You take this risk, this risk, this risk, and stop loss of 2% down here. And remember that you can enter here and here. If the market goes down, you're going to buy. If it goes down, it's going to buy. Make sense, everybody? Se vai descer, você vai comprar de novo. E se vai descer, você vai comprar de novo. Ok? Make sense, everybody? Faz sentido isso?
Ok.
It's a break of paradigm. The set and forget, it's difficult because the more the market goes against you, the more happier you are. Ok? Estratégias de set and forget são difíceis porque mais o mercado vai contra você. Quebra de paradigma, mais você fica faceiro. Make sense, everybody? Why you're happier is going against you. The deeper the retracement, the higher the probability of reversal. Maior a retração, maior a probabilidade da reversão. You are not going to make the most money with these ones, you're going to make the most money with those ones. Você não vai fazer mais grana com esses aqui, você vai fazer mais grana com esses aqui. On the positive swap, com swap positivo. Make sense, everybody?
How many years does it take that concept of being happy take?
To break the paradigm?
Yeah.
Give me a second. Melissa pergunta quantos anos demora para quebrar o paradigma. If you have the right mentor or husband, it's instant. Se você tem o mentor certo e o marido certo, em um instante, quebra o paradigma. It's like, everybody? But this is how the investment banks and hedge funds, especially investment banks, operate. Desse jeito que os bancos de investimento funcionam. Make sense? Investment bank, especially because they have trust and rich people money. Os bancos de investimento, especialmente porque tem trust e tem dinheiro dos caras que são podres de rico. I am the grandfather and I'm leaving capital for the next 5 generations. And I'm instructing the bank what to do. Eu sou o bisvovô e estou deixando dinheiro para 5 gerações que vêm atrás de mim. Vou falar para o banco o que fazer. They're doing this shit. Make sense, everybody? They're accumulating the stuff. Okay? I know you cannot relate to this because you're a retail trader and you have bills to pay. I'm just trying to tell you to expand your mind. Eu sei que você não vai se identificar com isso porque você é um trader de varejo que tem conta para pagar, mas só para você ter uma consciência maior. Make sense, everybody?
Wealthier people can afford to be more aggressive.
Sure. But I want to make a point here. Just because the market goes against you doesn't mean that something is wrong. Quero colocar um ponto. Somente porque o mercado vai contra você não significa que alguma coisa está errada. Does this make sense? Because you are trading patterns in the Forex market, está negociando padrões. Make sense? Look at me. Olha para mim. The market is going against me. Is the pattern still there? The drama? Euro GBP, me and Alexander like, it's going against us. I'm losing 20% of the account. Eu e o Alexander na máscara de oxigênio perdendo 20% da banca no Euro GBP. Né? Contra nós, cara. You know? Right, Alexander?
Yeah.
What was the result? Qual foi o resultado? Remember, Melissa and Alexander and all of you guys who are here, qual foi o resultado?
Yeah, I was in 40%.
What was the result? Mario too, what was the result of Euro GBP?
20,000-ish. It was good, 20%, maybe.
We made tons of money. A gente fez baita de uma grana. But understanding this is a skill. This is not a strategy. Isso não é conversa estratégia. Somente esse entendimento, this emotional understanding, it's a skill. Esse entendimento emocional é uma habilidade. Okay, everybody? Don't despair. Oh, it's going against me. I was in a profit. Now I'm in a loss. I'm losing 5%. I'm losing whatever. Well, how do you think money is made? Não fique chorando lá, tu trade tá contra mim, oh, coitado eu, tô 1% de... Como que você acha que a grana está sendo feita? I mean, most of you guys know this already. Maioria de vocês já sabe disso, né? Unless you are a scalper, there is no trading strategy and methodology that is going to give you instant profits. A menos que você não seja um scalper, não tem metodologia ou estratégia que vai dar para você lucro instantâneo. It's going to go up and down, and more up, and a little bit less down, and more up and less down. If you're on the winning side. Você está no lado positivo, vai dar lucro e negativo, e positivo e negativo, e mais positivo e menos negativo. Você está aí do lado certo do trade. Does this make sense? Faz sentido isso? And sharing screen. Give me a second, everybody. So we were on GBP CHF with Melissa. Okay, so you do have a signal, everybody, on the monthly. Você tem signal no mensal. Okay. Do you have a signal? Do you have an entry on the weekly? Yes, you do. You have a signal on the weekly too. Not sure about the daily. Vamos vendo o diário. This is Fibonacci's. On the Fibonacci, you too have a signal. Just be careful not to triple the trade. Cuidado para não fazer 3 entradas com o mesmo stop loss. It's just one trade, everybody. See, the stop loss is the same on the 3 of those. I'm going to sync in layout. It has the same stop. Can you see, everybody? Pode ver, Heraldo? Heraldo, Marcos e Douglas, que vai ver a gravação. It's going to be the same stop. So it's only one entry. Or on the monthly and the weekly, or on the daily. What's the difference? Risk. Okay, so you're going to enter on the daily, it's 1% risk. If you're going to enter on the monthly and or the weekly, it's 2%. Everybody, what should I do? It's up to you. O que você vai fazer? Você que sabe. GBP CHF, everybody, market wave. Similar story, not to waste time. Coisa parecida. Okay, and give me a second. There is a signal on the daily. I don't have a market wave on the monthly, and I don't have a market wave on the weekly. Não tem onda no mercado no mensal, não tem onda no mercado no semanal. So we do have the market wave on the daily just. Temos por enquanto só no diário. And the 4 hour, I believe there is not. Não tem no 4 horas. Mario, the next one, what is, yes?
What is your entry on the daily? Can you show me what your entry is on your
The Fibonacci.
microwave?
The Fibonacci on the...
Oh, the fib. I thought you were talking about wave, so I apologize. Thank you.
Mario, your best rate for the day? Maybe everybody...
I am in Euro CHF, but I think I made a trader mistake.
Perfect, even better. So share your screen,
Because
share your screen, share.
yes.
Everybody open Euro CHF. Do you have an entry? Can you enter? Can you make some money?
So it's not on this platform, it's on the other one. Here I'm not in, but I wanted to enter this trade long at the breakout of this candle that made a counter trend line break.
Very good. Excellent.
Trying to playing a consolidation, daily consolidation, short to long here.
First short or first? Do you want to go short first or long first?
No, long.
Okay, Mario quer comprar. Okay, what was the mistake? You said you made a mistake. Qual foi o erro?
The mistake is that I didn't check the weekly, and looking at the weekly consolidation. Sorry, just one moment.
Mario fala que o erro que ele fez que ele não checou o semanal.
Didn't check that this consolidation probably is going short, long to short.
So it's going to go down, right?
Exactly. On the weekly, this consolidation is going down, while on the daily, I entered long this consolidation. Okay. So I think this is a trader mistake.
Ok, applauso para Mario. Very good, excellent sharing, trader mistake. Applauso para Mario porque está compartilhando o erro do trader. Ok, everybody? Mário falava que
After-
deveria vender consolidação, mas ele comprou. Ok?
After I have potentially NZD-JPY, but it's on the monthly chart here. I want to go short here at the breakout of this candle.
Mario, wait a second. Go back to Euro CHF, please.
Yes,
We need to
yes.
check with everybody else. Julius, do you have a trade on Euro CHF? Julius?
Yes,
Yes, going long or short?
long.
Long. Mattia, do you have a trade on Euro CHF?
Right now, no, I close in the morning.
Okay. Did you go long or short?
Long.
Long. Okay. Why did you close the trade? ¿Por qué se fechó trade?
Because I see a reversal, and now it's making bigger consolidation, like retracement for me to enter.
Okay. Everybody, what pattern did you trade, Mattia?
Basically breakout of trend line.
Okay. Can you share your charts?
Yes.
Give it a second. In the meantime, Alexander, do you have an entry on Euro CHF? Heraldo, está entrado en Euro CHF?
No.
KJ, do you have an entry on Euro CHF going long?
No.
No, okay. Okay. Mattia, would you be so kind and tell us what was the pattern? Qual padrão foi negociado?
Well, basically, I enter yesterday after the meeting. I was said no question, just enter, and I enter with 3 lot size. But in the morning, then I see here that the market didn't move, so I closed position here. But now I see this retracement, and I will probably go long here.
Okay. Did you make any mistakes? Fez algum erro, Mattia?
Yes, not trading with plan.
I entered without a plan. Applause to Mattia too. Ele entrou sem um planejamento. Okay. Any questions about this trade, everybody? Alguma pergunta sobre isso? Okay. When you trade, yes.
I guess I'm shocked, and forgive me because I make crazier trades than everybody else does in this room. But I am shocked you put 3 lots on a 1 hour with a 1 hour stop. Does that make sense?
Well, the stop was here.
Oh, okay. Well, here we go. Okay. Thank you.
Melissa falou que está chocada porque ele colocou 3 lotes numa hora e depois falou que o stop muito curto com 3 lotes, aí aumentou o stop. Okay, everybody?
But even smaller time frame, usually you need more lots to enter because
Yes.
small stop loss. And
Okay, everybody? So share your traders' mistakes. Compartilhem seus erros do trader, okay? Everybody, now, you know all of this. I'm going to just remember, don't enter blindly. Não faz jogadas para fazer jogadas. Okay? The office tells you, Euro CHF, buy this week, make some money. You must still act as a professional trader. O escritório fala, compra Euro CHF essa semana, você ainda tem que atuar como trader profissional. Meaning have being aware of timing and direction and pattern and possibly alignments and all of the other stuff, né? Tendo em consideração padrões, stop loss, o timing, o alinhamento dos padrões e tudo mais. Okay, everybody? Make sense?
I have a trade on this too.
If I make something stupid and if I lose buying, that's not the office fault. Se faço uma cagada e perdo, non è colpa do escritório. Fair enough? Yes, it's fair enough. It's fair enough. Of course, it's fair enough.
yes,
Make sense, everybody? Especially because I show you my stop loss, precisamente perché estou mostrando meu stop e tudo mais. Thank you, Mattia. Yes, Mario, we're back to share your screen, Mario. KJ, do you have an entry on Euro CHF? No.
No.
What was the next one, Mario? I believe it was NZD-JPY. I'm not sure. Is Mario here or did he got out?
It's NZD-JPY, but
NZD-JPY. Thank you very much. Everybody open NZD-JPY. Mario, try to share your screen, please. And I'm going to do the same
can you see
NZD-JPY.
it?
Give it a second. Give it a second. Yes. Now, yes.
We did this pair.
Oh,
We
Melissa is
just did
saying
this
we
pair.
who did this, if you can remember.
Then where's did anybody else bring this pair up?
Who did this
Okay, I
part
think
today?
That's fine. That's good.
I present this pair already.
Oh, Mattia was presenting this pair. Okay, thank you very much. Mario, do you have anything else, Mario? Any other pair?
Yes, I could have Euro NZD for
New
our
Zealand.
chart.
Okay, everybody open Euro New Zealand. Do you have an entry, everybody? Can you enter NZ Euro New Zealand?
Long
Long. KJ, can you
I
make
do
an
not.
entry?
on the short-term trend. This one.
KJ, can you make an entry on Euro New Zealand? Alexander, Heraldo, Mattia, Melissa, Julius.
No.
I cannot.
Who said yes?
Tia?
Me. Yeah, I said yes.
Mario, are you in the trade?
Not yet.
What are you waiting for?
I'm waiting for sorry breakout here because I
Non
wanted
stiamo vendo, non-
to enter this candle, but after it retraced, so I wait for new for this breakout here to have a candle.
No, that trend line is not correct. If I may, yeah, it's not correct because it's breaking the wick. I'm waiting for the trend line to be broken. So if I put two trend line, then
Mario, Tiga has a
one
point.
will be broken now.
You're breaking the tail of the. Go on the top of the trend line. The third candle on the right, you're breaking the tail.
This one.
No, on the left more. On the left.
Ah, yes, okay. Yes.
But if you use two trend line, then it's correct.
Yes, if you use the trend line, then it's correct. So if you use the trend lines, it's all good. KJ, can you enter Euro New Zealand?
Yeah, it looks like you can.
Okay, are you? Are you going to enter?
Mario, up to the top.
It looks like I can, but it's gonna retrace very soon, you know.
How do you know?
Is that an engulfing candle, Tiga?
On what the same Euro NZD?
The one with the spike, the one he was just on.
That's the Euro NZD. Yeah, that's an engulfing candle that brings the second trend line. If he uses the second trend line, that's
Julius, share your screen, please, so we can understand what you're talking about, guys. Heraldo, você consegue entrar no Euro Nova Zelândia?
Consigo.
Okay, everybody, all of you, enter now.
Of course.
Compra agora, according to your strategy. If you can enter now.
You're talking about Euro NZD to enter now?
Sure. I'm not forcing, but most of the guys says, yes, I can enter. So I'm telling you, enter now.
All of the fibs are in the other direction, by the way.
Not true. All the fibs are on the long side on Euro New Zealand.
You're on New Zealand, right? Oh, okay. I thought he was, okay.
Tô compartilhando, Mirra?
No, falei errado. O Júlio está compartilhando. Deve ter falado errado.
Sorry.
I'm sorry. I misread the chart. Okay.
All good.
I misread. So I do have I can enter.
This is it here.
Can you enter, everybody?
Yes. This is a good trade to take.
Are you going to enter?
Yes.
Yes, I
Mattia,
will.
can you enter New Zealand? Or maybe
No, I will wait for
Trigger.
Jason?
Yeah.
Okay, everybody, there is no right or wrong. KJ, are going to... Alexander, can you enter?
Not yet.
Not yet, very good.
Why not?
Come again?
Why not?
Julius wants to say, why not?
Martia, why not? Why are you saying you're going to wait for retracement? What retracement are you waiting for from here?
Because I haven't seen this pair.
Okay.
Fair enough, very good, excellent. Give me a second, everybody. Okay, so I'm going to present now. I'm going to present. Let's check the signals on Euro New Zealand, right? Euro New Zealand, Fibonacci, and Euro New Zealand market wave. Euro New Zealand on the monthly, right? Fibonacci. If you would enter here, and build position, you would suffer like a horse in here, che se vai a soffrire. Would you make tons of money? Yes.
Yes.
So right now it's game over. I'm going to tell you, right? Don't even bother. Now you don't enter, everybody. You miss the train. Se perdeu o treno, okay? When you see this kind of signals, then you need to wait for the market to go back down to here for you to enter. This is how the signals work, okay? You can trade normally your strategy, but you cannot enter a signal. You must wait for the signal to come down. Uma vez que você vê isso, se não tem signal para você entrar, o signal tem que entrar aqui no Fibonacci de novo. So you lost the training here. I'm sorry to tell you. Você perdeu o train, okay? This is just the original one, not the confirmation. So you can also play the confirmation if you want, but nonetheless, this is the original one, esse original. And give me a second, everybody. So this is the up and down. This is the confirmation, and this is the original one. Okay. So if you would play this one, you had an entry on the weekly here, but now the train is gone. Você teve entrada aqui no semanal, mas agora o train se foi. For you to enter, you must wait in here. And just quickly, the Fibonacci on the daily. Give me a second. Fibonacci on the daily, same story. You had the signal in here, everybody. Okay. Now you need to wait for the market to come down possibly, or wait for the next time. Okay. The most important thing for you as a trader to understand is that I need to wait for 3 years now the market to come back. Yes. You don't pick and choose rules and entries. Pessoas falam, mas tem que esperar agora por 3 anos para o mercado voltar. Sim, você tem que esperar. Você não deve, não pode escolher regras. Does it make sense?
Yes.
Yes.
Who is smart enough to tell me why not? Quem está suficiente inteligente para falar por que não pode escolher? Why not to choose?
To eliminate the emotions
No. Fair enough, but no.
and make a repeatable process
Meaning?
that you will enter every time according to strategy.
Meaning? The specific thing that I want to hear.
That you will trade with edge.
Apostomatia, exactly. Because this is the edge. This is how those strategies are trading. Por causa da vantagem, porque essa é a vantagem desse jeito que essas estratégias estão sendo negociadas. If you see something like this and you enter, you are not trading my edge anymore. You are inventing your hot water. Se você entra agora, você não está negociando a minha vantagem, você está inventando água quente. Okay, everybody? Oh, but look at this money, look at the... You lost the train, that's on you. Oh, mas olha toda essa grana que foi feita, você perdeu o trem. Culpa tua, cara. Tu perdeu o trem. You lost the train, not me. Make sense, everybody?
Yes.
Okay, you can find other ways. You can trade confirmations or contrarians. Se pode tentar comprar os de confirmação e tudo mais, mas... And before we move forward, everybody, give me a second. Antes in French. So this was the Fibonacci, Euro, New Zealand, market wave. Same story, right? We are here now. Lost the terrain, perdemos o terreno aqui, ó. And weekly, give me a second. Weekly is interesting because the weekly didn't retrace. Essa é interessante porque essa não se retraiu aqui. So no signal, it must come to some Fibonacci level. Tem que entrar num Fibonacci, nível de Fibonacci. And the daily, which is the blue, I mean the green here. So you had on the daily, you had one signal, everybody. Você teve signal aqui, mas agora está aqui, ó. So you need to wait for the market to come down. If you didn't enter, so it's no signal. Okay, everybody, tá tranquilo?
Sim.
So if you are going to do what the signal is telling you, you are going to make money. Se você fazer aquilo que o signal manda, você vai fazer dinheiro. This is the difference between you and somebody who is following this signal. It's a difference entre você que está seguindo o signal. You are going to buy in here, and the market is going to retrace, and you are going to start to lose. I bought in here, and I'm in profit now. Can you see the difference? Eu comprei aqui, e agora estou com lucro. Você vai comprar aqui, vai ficar com prejuízo, vai começar a bloquear. I bought in here, I'm in a profit. You are going to buy in here, and then you are going to start to freak out because the market is going to retrace. Can you see the difference? Pode ver a diferença? And. So Julius was talking, Mattia was talking, Mario was talking, Alexander was talking, Melissa was talking, KJ was talking, Raldo. Is anybody else? Romildo e Enrique, do you want to take a chance? Quer dar uma chutada? Not okay. So let's go, everybody, to normal chart. Yes? Tranquilo, okay, all good. Anybody else? Any trades specifically? Any special trades? Any opportunities that you're looking at? Alguma oportunidade que estão olhando?
NZDCAD.
Which one?
NZDCAD.
Please present your charts, Mario. Mario says NZDCAD, everybody. Open your charts, open NZDCAD. Remember, we have non-farm payrolls with the Canada. Okay. Share your charts. It's all about Friday for Canada too.
Basically,
Everybody, as we speak, pay attention to the yen pairs right now. Enquanto a gente conversa, presta atenção nos pares do yen. Because it looks like that all the yen pairs are falling as we speak. Heraldo, você pode confirmar que todos os pares do yen estão descendo enquanto a gente conversa?
Se estão descendo?
Sim.
Nessas 4 horas? Vou dar uma olhada aqui, Mirra.
1 hora, 4 horas. Everybody, if you check all the yen pairs. Check Canada JPY, 1 hour chart, 30 minutes maybe.
Yes, yen ganhando força.
And I'll say yes, the yen is getting stronger. Okay. And remember, the yen is going to react on Friday too. Be careful. Cuidado com o yen, porque o yen vai ganhando força na sexta. Não é que vai ganhar força, ele vai reagir na sexta-feira. The yen is going to react on Friday, so be careful, right, everybody? Com cuidado. Mattia!
Yeah.
Yes.
Present Euro JPY. Tell us what to do, how to make money.
Euro JPY.
Exactly. No one the easy stuff. The NZD JPY, it's easy. Let's go to Euro JPY. Mattia is going to present Euro JPY, and then Mario is going to present NZD JPY. How to make money.
It's about time.
Yeah.
Okay, so about Euro JPY, I'm always looking
hour.
at the JPY basket. So this consolidation is playing out so far okay, but we are struggling here. But I still believe that we will push some news or something down in here, and then we will go up. So we have to be careful that the yen can get weaker up in this level until we get some confirmation for up movement. So be careful on all JPY pairs for if this move down happen.
Just to translate, Matia fala cuidado porque o índice pode ainda cair lá na consolidação e depois ele espera que ele vai cair mais, depois vai ser retraído e voltar para cima.
Okay,
Thank you very much. Let's
But
go.
this flag can indicate movement to up, so it's best
Thank
to
you.
monitor. And for JPY pair, so we are here at the monthly band and also close to previous high. And what are we doing right now on the daily? You can see that we have strong sell here, and now we are correcting. So for aggressive traders, you can short now but risk less. It's better to wait for confirmation out of breakout of this channel and then short down. And if you want to be safe, put stop loss above this high.
Plus to Mattia, se você quer ser mais segurança, coloca o stop loss lá em cima, espera para o mercado quebrar essas linhas de tendência. Mario, NZD JPY, what's the plan? If this week yen continues to fall, qual vai ser o plano se o yen continua a descer?
Mattia presented yet NZD JPY.
Sure, but what's the plan? Like step by step, what to do, how to enter?
I just checked monthly chart. If I honestly NZD JPY, I want to enter on the breakout of this candle, short.
We are not seeing, can you share screen? Condivido lo schermo? All good?
Sorry.
KJ, can you enter KJ, NZD JPY?
Can you see the
Shorting
screen?
the market?
Shorting all the yen pairs basically. Sì, ci vediamo, NZD JPY. We are seeing...
This is the monthly chart, and basically I want to trade the monthly chart on the breakout of this candle, going short, and this is the stop loss on the previous extension. This is take profit.
Okay, so what
When you say break out of the,
yes, Melissa.
Sorry?
when you say break out of the candle, does that include the wick or just the body?
No, the minimum of the candle, the breakout of the minimum of the candle.
What's the minimum? I don't quite understand. The
It's,
body?
The wick,
It's the wick.
the wick,
The low.
the lower, exactly. Thank you, Mattia.
Thank you.
Okay,
We had the candlestick formation, counter trend line break, super trend, EMA 821. It's everything short on the bands. So this is my plan.
thank you. Mario, Melissa, present NZD JPY daily chart. How are you going to enter? KJ, can you enter NZD JPY short? If it falls more, whatever. Se vai cair mais.
Yeah, it looks like I can.
Looks like, Hank. Are you? Are you going to?
Well, I don't know yet. I need to settle down and take a look at all of this. I rushed to this meeting.
Absolutely. All good.
I've been in and out of this pair. I think I'm out at the moment, and I think I'm going to jump back in because I think this is a great. That's a nice spike right there, and I think this is a great opportunity because of the support right here across here. So I think it's a good time to get in.
Okay, what pattern are you going to trade? Qual padrão você vai negociar?
The original. This is always this set to an original fib. Here.
Então, Melissa vai negociar o Fibonacci original. Okay. Can you go on the 4-hour chart, Melissa? 4-hour chart.
It may not be ready. Hold on.
Everybody, there is no right or wrong, just sharing ideas. If you see a crown on the 4-hour chart, you can also enter. Se você vê o crown no 4 horas, você pode entrar.
I don't have this charted per se.
The most recent crown is the small one, the tiny one. It's happening as we speak. There you go. This is the small crown.
Okay.
Can you see everybody the small crown? Podem ver?
Okay.
Yes.
There is no right or wrong anyway. You can wait for counter trend line breaks, change of short-term trend, change of whatever, relevant highs and lows. Just sharing ideas. So trocando ideias. Thank you very much. Okay, so I'm going to take the lead. Give me a second. And here we're going to open normal charts, normal charts, normal charts, normal charts. Going with the daily. And remember, everybody, next week, I want you to every day take a screenshot of your trading platform, not the trading view. I want you to share your losers with everybody. I want to share your winners, which I don't have now. I want you to get out of the comfort zone. Quiero que vocês vão fora da zona do conforto. Okay, everybody. Next week, you're going to share your trading station. Se vão compartilhar sua. Okay, once per day. It doesn't matter when. Non importa quando. Okay, everybody. So here is the JPY going down. And back to charts. Give me a second. So we're going to go one by one. AUD CAT. Okay, I'm going to short it. Not ready yet. Vou vender, não está pronto ainda. AUD CHF, I'm out of the trade. AUD JPY, I'm going to short it. So all the yen pairs are most likely similarly positioned. Okay, everybody. So shorting the pair AUD JPY. AUD NZD, I'm staying out. AUD USD, for this week, I'm staying out. Because of the non-farm payroll, I don't have a read. Non tenho leitura, ratificando fora. Canada CHF, I'm staying out. Canada JPY, I'm going to short 5% when the time comes. Vou vender 5%. I'm going to hedge too, vou fazer o hedging. Okay, so short, not ready yet. Não está pronto ainda, vou vender. Staying out of CAG JPY, tô ficando fora do CHF JPY. Euro AUD, I'm already, am I Euro AUD symbol? Oh, not yet. So Euro AUD is going to be a buy. Vai ser uma compra as soon as the market closes bullish. I'm in, buying. Euro CAD, I'm in from yesterday, buying long. Euro CHF, I was in and out, but I'm in again. Tô comprado de novo. Euro GBP, if this closes bullish, I'm going to buy. Se essa fecha de touro, eu vou comprar. Euro JPY, if it goes down, I'm going to sell. Se vai descer, vou vender. Not ready yet, as Mattia was saying. And Euro New Zealand, if this closes bullish, I'm going to buy. Se essa vai de touro, eu vou comprar. Euro dollar, I'm staying out for this week. Tô fora desse mercado por semana. GBP AUD, I'm staying out for this week. Para essa semana, tô fora do GBP AUD. GBP CAD, I was in yesterday. Gente comprou ontem à noite. Yesterday night, we were in, buying. I'm still in. GBP CHF, I'm still in. Ainda tô comprado. I'm buying. GBP JPY, I'm still in based on yesterday. Tô comprado aqui desde ontem. GBP NZD, I'm not in yet. So as soon as it becomes bullish, I'm going to buy. GBP USD, I'm in based on yesterday. Tô comprado desde ontem. NZD CAD, shorting the market. I'm not yet in, but it's a short. Vou tentar vender, not the time yet. Not trading NZD CHF, NZD JPY, shorting the market. Venda no NZD JPY quando o mercado descer. NZD USD, shorting the market. Not ready yet. Não está pronto ainda. Vou vender mercado quando tiver oportunidade. USD CAD, shorting the market. So this one crowned. Or not yet, right? So it didn't crown yet, everybody. Give me a second. I'm not sure. Okay, so it didn't crown. When it crowns, I'm going to short the market. Okay, so far, I sincerely hope if the market, I'm going to pray to God that Heraldo is right, that the dollar gets stronger. Vou rezar para Deus que Heraldo está certo, para o dólar ficar mais forte. And if it goes up in here, it's another monster trade. Se fica aqui em cima, vai ser mais trader monstro. If this come up to here again, this becomes the next Euro GBP. Se esse mercado chega até aqui em cima, vai ser o próximo Euro GBP. Okay. Alexander, we're going to be on oxygen again. E o Alexander vai ficar no oxígeno de novo. USD CHF, I'm staying out, and USD JPY, I'm staying out, everybody. Okay. Bitcoin. Bitcoin, it's a nice place to buy, not to trade, to invest. Everybody. Okay. Ethereum, not sure because it's at the, where is the Ethereum? It's at the, falando de investimentos, né? Not trading, talking about investments. Ethereum also, I'm not sure. I'm not going to buy this one. I'm going to wait or it breaks out or it's going to retrace, but this is not a level I would buy. Isso não é um nível que eu iria comprar. Okay, everybody? Tranquilo? Who is going to tell KJ what is the purpose of the virtual office? Quem vai falar para o KJ qual é o propósito desse virtual office?
To make money.
Where is he?
To build, grow your account and make money.
Just make some money, KJ. Okay? You have 1 month, everybody. Stay in un mês, okay? You must make some money in 1 month with knowledge, with the skill. Você tem que fazer dinheiro em um mês com conhecimento e habilidade. Ok? You are trying to prove yourself that you are in the next level. Você está tentando mostrar para você que está no próximo nível. Ok? Try to do the best as you can. Tente fazer o melhor que puder. Ok? This week it's like this. Next week I'm going to push some ears. Semana que vem vou começar a puxar a orelha. Ok? I can see you if you are doing the best as you can. But I'm going to tell you next week. Next week vou falar quem está fazendo o melhor que puder. Ok, everybody? That's for you, not for me. Isso é para vocês, não para mim. Just remember, we have a session tonight. So we have sessions every night, everybody. Temos sessões toda noite. Okay? At KJ, you're going to be at work or with the family, I believe. It's going to be 7 p.m. New York time. It's going to be 8 p.m. Brazilian time. Vai ser 8 da noite. Ok? Aqui do Brasil. Ok? Menos na quinta. Na quinta, vamos determinar um líder. Na quinta, tenho eu e o Nobre aqui. Temos aula na quinta-feira, começa a aula. Ok? Então, provavelmente, Heraldo, você vai ser da noite. Vamos ver, vamos trocar ideias. Quem vai ser? Ok?
Ok.
So, Friday, we don't have entries. Na sexta, não temos entradas. But the next week, on Friday morning, we're going to talk about journals and traders' errors. Ok? Semana que vem, na sexta, vamos falar do jornal e tudo mais.
Tá bom.
Ok? Journal your emotions. Journal your traders' errors. Faz jornal da emocional. Faz jornal dos traders, erros do trader. Me, Mário e Matia already shared. We are not perfect. Eu, Mário e Matia já conseguimos falar. Gente, não é perfeito. Ok? Do you want to see a great news? Você pode ouvir uma notícia grande, boa? The most profitable traders are the ones who make the most errors. Os traders mais lucrativos fazem mais erros. with the premise that they learn from the error and they don't relapse, of course. Make sense? Com a premessa de que eles aprendem e depois eles não fazem o mesmo erro. In simple language, if you don't make errors, no money. Em linguagem de 5 aninhos, se você não faz erros, não tem dinheiro para você. If you don't make errors, you don't trade. If you don't trade, no money. It's as simple as that. Se você não se negocia, você não faz erros. Se você não faz erros, não tem grana. É simples assim. Okay, everybody? Don't be afraid to share. Okay? I did this mistake. Guess who is the most stupid freaking moron that make all the mistakes in his life? Adivinha que é o babaca Songomon que fez todos os erros do trader?
You.
Well, hold on. But what the other part that you don't tell them about is you also shared all of the emotional issues you had.
So true. So true. Melissa também falou, você também conta os desafios emocionais que você tinha. So true. Thank you, Melissa. Appreciate very much. Everybody, you need to clean yourself of your emotional drama. Você tem que se limpar da sua drama emocional. Whatever this might be, make sense? Whatever. Qualquer coisa seja. Separate parents, narcissist father, mother was spanking you as a child, you know, government robbed you, whatever. Ok? Qualquer coisa. Pai batendo em você, pais separados, pai narcisista, que se for. Ok? If you don't share, if you don't talk, you cannot clean yourself. Se você não compartilha, você não vai se limpar. Yes, Julius.
So, talking about cleaning oneself is very difficult, right?
Amen.
Very difficult because over time I have traded. Speaking about technical analysis, I know some stuff. I have traded a lot. And I'm not talking about demo account. I'm talking about real accounts. Right? No matter how little it is, right? And I've lost on all of it because of emotions.
How much did you lose in monetary terms?
In monetary terms, if I put everything together, it's up to $500.
You suck at losing. I lost $1 million.
Yeah, of course, because I don't have your kind of money, you know.
But wait, you said because
Mattia lost 50,000. You suck. All of you suck. You don't come to me. Look at.
Of course we can't. Of course we can't.
You suck. No, wait. I'm trying to make a point. It's not about the money. It's about emotions.
Yes, that's what I'm actually
about to know.
Because right now, so speaking about the emotion, actually, we are looking at AUD USD right now. This is a trade I took, right? And this is a trade that was giving me profit, right? And now the profit is almost gone, right? And now, like you said, we should not be hard on ourselves. Like, why is the market treating me the way I was on profit right now? And now everything is going to, and I'm looking at, like, I'm staring at it right now, like on my phone here. You can't see it, right? But it's there. And I was like, what the hell is going on?
Heraldo, quanta grana você perdeu? Heraldo, how much money did you lose live? De verdade. Em reais.
Mais de 60 mil.
Okay, so this seria $10 million, $10,000 US?
Yes.
Or less. Okay, Heraldo also lost $10,000 US.
Wow.
Alexander, how much money did you lose? Did you lost live? You would not be here, everybody, if you were. We are the old guys here, right? Heraldo, aqui, right?
Yes.
I have a small account, but I lost about $270.
$170. You suck too. I lost $1 million.
All of this is shy. Wait. All of this conversation is shy of what I'm telling you.
Tell us.
Tiga, I was expecting you to tell me that you had some great revelation and you understand why you do what you do, and you didn't. You just said you were upset about a singular trade. That's not what I'm talking about. I'll bet all of y'all money that the big important crap that's gone on that you don't think about, and you don't think about it because when you go there, it hurts. I'm talking about that shit.
I'm going just to
And
translate.
what I'll guarantee you, what I will guarantee you is the guy who makes the most money this month is going to be the guy who went the deepest.
Amen on
Because
that.
the minute you go there and the minute it's over, you trade with all that baggage. And if you guys didn't have that baggage, you wouldn't be in this damn classroom, because all of y'all know more than I do.
Applause to Melissa.
Start talking.
Yeah,
Start
I
talking. Start
I
talking,
agree.
guys.
I agree with what you say.
Amen on that. Of course.
Let's say I have to go to work. Bye.
Yeah, okay.
You scared Mario.
No, I just have to go to work. Sorry.
I'm joking. Sto scherzando, dai. I was joking. Bye bye.
Bye.
Just to translate, Eraldo, escuta aqui, ó, e Romildo e Henrique, ele está falando que todos nós temos problemas pessoais, emocionais, e gente não quer encarar esses problemas. We don't want to face those challenges, because it hurts, porque dói. Mas logo que você consegue resolver esses problemas emocionais, se encarar onde dói, e num instante teu trading vai melhorar.
Sem dúvida.
E Marisa falou, start talking, começa a falar, cara. Começa a compartilhar, start sharing, start talking. Melissa says. Right, Melissa? So all of us, right? Yes.
Mia, so this class runs from Monday through to Thursday. No lessons, no classes on Friday, right? No meetings on Friday.
Next week is going to be Friday too, but it's not to be about charts. It's going to be just emotions, errors.
And what about weekends?
Weekend, we have this Sunday. We're going to do the weekly plan together. Sunday.
Oh, okay.
If you want,
every Sunday?
Every Sunday.
What time do you start?
9 a.m. Brazilian time.
Okay. Okay.
But it's going to be 3 hours in the morning and 3 hours in the evening. Vai 3 horas de manhã, 3 horas de tarde. So
okay.
Plenty of time to join in, get out, not really a problem. Okay.
I wouldn't be able to join every meet. So and for weekdays, this is the only session I can join, like this timing. So the earlier session, I won't be able to make it. Yeah.
Perfect. See you tomorrow.
Yeah.
See you tomorrow making some money. A gente se vê amanhã fazendo dinheiro.
Yep.
You're in New Zealand and all the things that we talked about, right, everybody?
Yep.
Okay. So just in conclusion for today, step by step, try to understand that we're all the same and you don't have anything to fear in this group. Estamos todo mundo a mesma coisa, que isso não tem nada para ficar assustado. Okay? I'm the number one who makes all the errors and I'm the freaking moron and I make all the mistakes. If you are scared to expose yourself, put me in front. I gladly accept the position. Se você está com medo de falar de você mesmo, de se expor, coloca-me na frente. Eu pego a primeira. Aquele lá é um babaca. Sou eu. Eu sou o cara que fiz tudo errado. Make sense, everybody? Don't be scared to share. I mean, step by step, right? As you want. But as Melissa said, until you clean yourself, the last course in this year is going to be learn how to make big money. And all of you opted for. Último curso esse ano vai ser por 5 semanas, 5 weeks. It's going to be how to make big money, como que vamos fazer grana alta, okay? And Mattia is going to talk a lot. I ask Mattia. Melissa is going to talk a lot. I ask Melissa. Mattia vai falar muita coisa. Melissa vai falar a mesma coisa. Heraldo vai falar muita coisa. Heraldo is going to talk a lot. I talked to those guys, falei com esses caras, okay? With the understanding that technical stuff, technical analysis, the technicals are going to bring you to consistency, com entendimento que análise técnica e coisas técnicas, hedging, vai te levar a ter consistência, but technical stuff is not going to help you to make big money. It's another book. As coisas técnicas não vão ajudar você a fazer grana alta. É outro livro. This is what Melissa is talking about. Make sense? You can get consistently profitable with hedging, US dollar index, market wave, Fibonacci. Você pode chegar consistentemente lucrativo com essas coisas, but not making big money. Mas não fazer grana alta. Make sense, everybody? Because as Melissa is saying, we live a lie. Você está vivendo uma mentira. That you're not good enough, que você não está bom, that you don't have the time, that you don't have the skill, that you are not worthy, and so on, and so on, and so on. Você está vendo uma mentira, que você não vale, que você é um incapaz, que teu tempo já deu, que você não merece. Make sense, everybody? All of us, we have different stories, but we are in the same boat. Todos nós temos história diferente, mas estamos no mesmo barco. Ok?
Ok.
Melissa is my pitbull here. Start talking. Melissa, meu pitbull aqui, ó. Começa a falar, galera. Tomorrow, I'm going to unleash Melissa first. Who is going to talk first one to me? Tomorrow in the morning, like... Right, Melissa? I'm going to tell Melissa, Melissa, choose one. The victim of talking. Melissa is going to pick up one. Fala para Melissa, escolhe para vai falar. Right, Melissa?
I can't. It would be hard to expect them to open up like that in front of everybody. That's more of a private start. It's you share it later on, but you start privately typically.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
I'm so scared to share. Oof. Thank you very much. Melissa falou, não assim,
That
não
comes
assim.
with courage. The
Heraldo,
courage comes later.
Melissa falou, não na frente de todo mundo, isso começa no particular, devagar. Falei, oh, graças a Deus. Né?
Isso aí.
Precisa de coragem, not like this, right? Okay, everybody, see you tonight. Hoje à noite, ou se não amanhã, or tomorrow.
Ok.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. See you today, tomorrow. Thank you very
Bye
much.
bye. Thank you.
Make some money. Make
Thank
some
you,
money.
bye.
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 Valeu.
Meu nobre.